Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Rater. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Rater and become a patron today. Thank you.
This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with the instant noodles. And today I got another one from Sau Tao. This is their Trolley Noodle. See? Trolley. Wonton flavor. Yeah. So I say we do this. It's 500 mils of water and one of these for 4 minutes. There we go. And here's what the trolley noodles look like. So they're flat, just a little broad, not very though, there's not, but there is some width to them, some broad. 4 minutes, there we go, and you get 2 servings in the pack, and you get dry and a wet, which at the end of the 4 minutes, stir it up. Ooh, yeah. That's how it goes. So today my mom is finally coming home from the rehab facility. As you might or might not remember, my mom broke her femur. I was asking her this morning, I'm like, hey, cool, this is the last time I got to call you on this number. And so it's been like since like the first week of March, right? She's like, no. It was like February 27th is when it happened. She spent 4 days in the hospital, and the rest she's been in like the crazy lockdown. She's been actually locked down for the whole time. Anybody saying that they're like, it's martial law, I'm in a lockdown. It's like, no, dude. No, she actually has. Not only that, she's been a prisoner of the fact that she broke her femur. But that's about to be added. Well, she's still going to be a prisoner of that, unfortunately. She's still healing. I mean, she's in her 80s. It's the femur is the largest bone in your body. That's like your upper leg. And yeah, it takes a while for anybody to heal from shattering that. But I want to shout out a thank you to the Anacortes, Washington Firefighters Union for building a ramp so my mom can actually get home today. That was really nice of them. She's going to be in a wheelchair for a while until it all gets settled down. But yeah. Animal cookies. My wife loves the animal cookies. Oh, and since... yeah, so she ordered a wagon. Donut or bagel. So we're gonna both go walking a lot more. I'm like really excited about it. I'm gonna be like, oh no, you bought the wagon. You're gonna pull it. Hitch the kid up in the wagon. You're pulling the wagon, lady. But that's the idea. Is like it'll be easier instead because Miles likes to pull a lot. So we'll see how it goes. I think it'll go well. Miles likes the idea of it. It's got an awning on it. It's pretty snazzy. It's pretty big too, and collapsible. So maybe we'll put a stereo on that too. we'll have competing boom boxes on our kid transporters. That'd be rad. But yeah, things are looking up. I'm just really glad, it's like kidney stone over, check. Mom coming home, check. More exercise, check. And sunny skies, check. I like that. So hopefully the next step will be the oh yeah, Mother's Day. That's next Sunday. I just ordered all this stuff that's gonna come today and tomorrow. And then I've got other stuff that's coming. It'll take a long time. It's like personalized, so. Did I get that? And then I gotta get, today when I go to the store, I gotta send my mom a card because she'll actually be able to get it now. That's sweet. I was thinking, it's like, oh, I should send her some chocolate. And I'm like, no! She's been, like, eating the good stuff, They've had her on, like, like, prison diet. So it's like, nope, you get this and this and this. It's all going to be good for you, and that's that. Portion control, portion control. It's hard, though. Delicious food is delicious. But it is Cinco de Mayo. She said they were doing something Cinco de Mayo-licious at the rehab place today. But by now, my mom should be on her way home, if not home. I really wanted to help because they got that new ramp, and yeah, I didn't want my sister to knock her back out pushing my mom up that thing on a wheelchair, but got one of the people they know to do it, so that's cool. I don't know. I really wanted to be part of it, I wanted to help build the ramp. I wanted to, It used to be, I'd want to do it, but there wouldn't be much I could do because I was, like, way out of shape and way overweight, but whatever, So this is Wonton Flavour. Looks interesting. Ooh. How do I describe that? It's herbal. There's definitely a lot of herbalness to it. Herbal, like, it's salty and herby, and it makes me think of the herbs like maybe, not wolfberry, but things that often will have wolfberry will have this kind of fragrant herbiness. Oh, ginseng, angelica, I don't know. It's good. Well, let's have some noodle with it too, of course. But I still have yet to find out what the trolley aspect is. If it's served on a trolley, if it comes on a trolley cart like dim sum. So. They're chewy, they're kind of doughy, they stay separated. Okay. Yeah, I like that. And I got a lot of other kinds of this stuff to try too. Let's go. Ouch. So there we are. Nice. I thought maybe a couple fish balls. some sprouts. I'll go for all of it. I'm going all in with the spring onion. And what else was I going to drop in here? Oh yeah, I'm going to use this Layu chili oil with chili pepper. So I think it'll give a nice look to the broth. I mean, the broth already looks nice, but maybe a little bit of, yeah, look at that. And what, black sesame seed? Just a little bit. And this stuff is kind of collecting, so I'm gonna let it not collect. I think I'm gonna call it. Alright. Rotato time. This bowl courtesy of Red Chef. Let's go. As usual, another musical offering from Epidemic Sound. I really like their tracks. There's always some good stuff. I mean, they're not the ones who make it, but they have it over at epidemicsound.com. And yeah, you should check them out if you're a content creator, you need some background tunes. It's some pretty tight stuff. I like it. Anyways, this has been some wonton flavor trolley noodle, some fish balls, some black sesame seed, some spring onion, and some chili oil. And some mung bean sprout. Alright, well, this is it for me for today. I'm gonna go take more pictures of this and edit all the pictures I've taken so far, put them all together, get the post all finished up and ready to go for whenever that's going to be. Today I posted review number, actually it'll post in about 20 minutes if it hasn't already, and that's review number 3500 over at www.theramenraider.com. Go check that out. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.